Dear students, today our topic is application of sets on Venn diagram. First of all, we will discuss intersection of two sets. Let us take one example. Given that a set is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, whereas B set is having elements 3, 4, 5 and 6. List all the elements. Part 1. List all the elements in A intersection B in set notation. And B part, draw a Venn diagram to represent the sets A and B. Dear students, पहले हम पार्ट ए को सॉल्व करेंगे जिसमें ये बताया गया है कि लिस्ट ऑल द एलिमेंट्स इन ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. So for A intersection B, we have to see the common elements, the elements which are in both sets, just like 3 is common, 4 is common and 5 is common. 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5 will be our A intersection B. 3, 4 and 5. Now let us do second part, that is about Venn diagram. In second part, first of all, we have to draw two sets in such a way that there must be a common area. This is A and this is B. The common elements are 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to see the rest of the elements of A which are not in this common area. 1, 2. And in B only 6 is left. Now let us talk about union of two sets with the help of Venn diagram. In the above part, just see the A part. This is called actually set notation. Set notation. Now let us take same sets for union. Set A has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B has elements 3, 4, 5, 6. A part, list all the elements in A union B in set notation. B part, draw a Venn diagram to represent the sets A and B. As far as A part is concerned, we have to uh, combine two sets A union B. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. One thing is noticeable over here, that the common elements, just like 2, just like 3, 4 and 5, are written only once. They are not repeated. This is set notation. Now we have to show this information through Venn diagram. So we are going to make two circles A, B, and the common elements 3, 4, 5 will be written inside, and 1, 2 and 6. So this is A union B. All the elements including common area will be called A union B. Problem involving universal set, intersection and union of sets. So let us take one example. It is given that a universal set equals to x such that x is a positive integer less than 11. A equals to x such that x is an even number, and B equals to x such that x is a factor of 12. So list all the elements in universal set A and B. So let us solve A part. Set notation is given, so we have to list all the sets. So let us take a universal set. Here we are going to write all the positive integers less than 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We don't have to write 11. Now A part, set A, x such that x is an even number. Now we are going to pick even numbers from universal set, just like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now set B, factor of 12. 1 is a factor of 12, 2 is a factor of 12, 3, 4 and 6. Now B part, this is A part. Now for B part we have to show information through Venn diagram. We need to draw a rectangle. This rectangle is for universal set that is noted by E. Now we are going to draw two sets, overlapping sets A and B. AB. The common elements which are present in both sets, which are shared by both sets, will be written in the overlapping area, that is 4, 2, 4, 6, and the rest of the elements of A would be written here, and the other elements of B will be written here 1, 3. And rest of the elements which are not in A and B would be written outside the circles, just like 5, 7, 9. So we have displayed whole information with the help of Venn diagram. Now we have to find out C part, that is A union B whole complement. It means that delete these elements of A union B from universal set, or do not consider the elements of A union B and write the element of universal set 5, 7, 9 as A union B whole complement. So the answer will be E universal set A union B whole complement. It will be 5, 7, 9. Now second part of the question, this is C part. The second part, that is D, is A intersection B complement. B complement means we are not going to take the elements of B and the shared area, that is this one, 2, 4, 6. It means the elements of B and the shared areas elements will not be taken. So we have to just take the elements of only A, and that are 8 and 10. Now problem involving shading of sets. Identify and shade the following regions on separate Venn diagram. The first part is X union Y complement. Students, first of all we have to draw a Venn diagram. This is X and this is Y, and this is universal set, and we have to shade this operation. Actually there are two ways. The first way is that you can randomly enter numbers in the loops 1, 2, 3, 4. Now list them. Universal set will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Set X will be equals to 1, 2, and set Y will be equals to 2, 3. Now first of all we have to find Y complement. Universal set minus Y. We have to delete the elements of Y from universal set, and the remaining elements of universal set will be written here 1, 4. According to definition of complement, the elements which are under discussion are called complements. Now X union Y complement, and we have to combine X and Y complement. It will be 1 2 4. So 1 to 4 will be this area that is going to be shaded. Second part is X intersection Y complement. We can draw Venn diagram again. Universal set X and Y. Not only the numbers, we can also take alphabets randomly. I take A, B, C, D. Now I can list the elements one by one. Universal set is A, B, C, D. We have to write all elements. Set X is equal to AB, set Y equals to BC. We have listed 3 sets. Now first of all find Y complement, that is universal set minus Y. So it will be, we have to delete the elements of Y from universal set, and the remaining elements of universal set will be written here as Y complement. Now X intersection Y complement. Now we have to take common from X and Y complement. Only A is common, and we have to see where this A is located in the region. So A is located over here, so this area will be shaded. Third part is X intersection Y whole complement. We will draw Venn diagram. And we can take randomly numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now afterwards we can list them. Universal set, according to the definition of universal set, a set that is a gigantic, huge set that contains all the elements. Now X equals to 1, 2 and Y equals to 2, 3. So first of all we have to find out X intersection Y, the common elements of X and Y. There is only one element that is common, that is 2. Now X intersection Y whole complement, universal set minus X intersection Y. We have to delete this element of X intersection Y from the universal set, and the remaining elements just like 1, 3, 4 will be considered final answer. So we have to see where this 1, 3 and 4 are located. 1, 3 and 4. This area will be shaded. Now let us discuss associative properties. Let us have one operation, A union B intersection C. Now we are going to take 3 circles. A, B, C. So we can randomly fill the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we have to list them. Set A will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B 2, 3, 5, 6 and set C 3, 4, 5, 7. Now our operation is A union B intersection C. First of all, we need to find out A union B. We have to combine the elements of A union B in such a way that their common elements should not be repeated. 2, 3. We have to write only once. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now second part of the operation, that is intersection C. A union B intersection C. Now we are going to find out the intersection of A union B and C. We have to see the common elements. Just like 3 is common. What else? 4 and 1 is 5. 3, 4 and 5. So this area is having these elements 3, 4 and 5. We have to shade them.